Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to open and create changes in the PDF file, then watch this video. Now folks, the first thing I would do is suggest you to open the Windows Store and search for PDF viewer. Now once we are there, you can see I've installed PDFX. So this is a free reader that enables you to open the PDF file and make changes and then save it. So this is a very useful tool. I have downloaded it. So I will open my PDF file in PDFX. So I will right click on the PDF file and click on open with and then click on PDFX. Why I'm asking you to download a different PDF viewer is if you're having the default Windows PDF viewer and you open it with that, you're not able to make any changes in the file. You can only view it. So you can download this PDF file and then you can use PDFX to edit. You can edit text like so. So you can use the converter as recommended, or you can just edit through this. You can see, as you can see, I can edit the word and then I can also save. So there you go, I saved it, and so forth and so on. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.